So it is Saturday, the day before Easter. It's like early afternoon. We just got home from the farmer's market. Antonio is vacuuming the living room rug, and I'm in the kitchen. So I'm gonna start working on Easter dinner. So usually my mom would cook Easter dinner, but this year they went on vacation. They literally come back on Easter, and my mom was kind of like, well, should we do Easter dinner like after Easter or before? And I was like, Mom, let me cook everything. Just have your house ready for Easter dinner. I'll bring all the food and we'll just have Easter dinner as a family, and I'll cook everything. I'll bring everything. So she like has her dining room table set up, everything Easter, all the plates and everything already ready, and then I'm gonna be bringing all the food. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make it easier on myself. I'm gonna make it simple. So this was the plan that I came up with. So basically what I decided was to do chicken, mashed potatoes, green bean casserole, and deviled eggs, and then by dessert. So normally I would make like one dish and then like bake something, but this time around I was like, you know what, since I'm doing the whole dinner, I want to keep it really simple, classic, easy, delicious, and not make it harder on myself. So we ended up buying a pull-apart cupcake cake from ShopRite. It's so cute. It's shaped in like an Easter basket, so I'll show you guys that in a second. And then I went to my favorite organic bakery, and I picked up an organic key lime pie, which is so delicious. It's my favorite key lime pie ever. So good. So I picked one of those up so that we have some variations. We have a pie and we have cupcakes, and the cupcakes are chocolate and vanilla. So cute. So it takes all the pressure off of me to have to bake. And then for the actual food, like the dinner, I am going to make the mashed potatoes from scratch because that's super easy. So I'm about to start peeling and boiling the potatoes, and I'm also going to be boiling my eggs so I can make my deviled eggs. And then for my green bean casserole, I bought bags of frozen green beans. So these are the steamable ones, and they're the best because literally you pop them in the microwave and they're done instantly. So I got a bunch of bags of this for my green bean casserole. The French fried toppings, I know that it's better to make it from scratch, but like I said, I was trying to keep everything easy for myself. And then for the chicken, so this is where I took the biggest shortcut, I feel, and it's the best thing ever. Instead of buying a bunch of like chicken breasts or chicken thighs or chicken pieces that I have to make myself, I bought 2 whole already cooked chickens from ShopRite. I love ShopRite. Who else is the ShopRite lover? Let's do 2 different flavorings. A full already cooked rotisserie chicken, so I got 2 of those, and I'm gonna make one of them a sweet, tangy barbecue flavor. And then the other one is going to be like an herb roasted with caramelized peppers and onions. So this is the Tuscan seasoning that I was telling you guys about. It's from Spice Revolution. So that is what I'm going to do. Okay guys, so I just peeled my potatoes, and this is a little trick that I do. Put a bowl in here, and then as I'm peeling, I peel into the bowl. It just makes cleanup so much easier. Just cut my potatoes in half. I'm going to put them in the same water that the eggs are in. Oh. Burn yourself. Cool. Okay, so I transferred my chickens into these baking dishes that I got for Friendsgiving. I love these so much. If you guys want to check out my Friendsgiving video, I'll put them in the cards so you guys can see the prep for that. So each chicken's in here. I'm making my barbecue little setup first. We have barbecue sauce. I put sriracha, mustard, a hint of vanilla, and then I'm also going to put some brown sugar and a little bit of water to make a nice thick, tangy kind of barbecue sauce. Babe.
I'm basting, inserting this and releasing it so it moisturizes and flavors the chicken as it roasts.
So this is a mix of...
It is mojo
by Goya.
And some of the Tuscan seasoning, some salt, some pepper, and what was the other thing?
Onion and garlic powder. You can see how it's a nice thick kind of sauce that's gonna cook into the chicken. And you could do this with a raw chicken, you know, the same exact thing.
Yeah.
But it just makes it so much easier when you know the chicken is cooked to perfection already. It's already roasted. And we're gonna let it cook on what?
Probably about
Like
275 to 300 for a few hours.
But yeah, that way it can really seep in. And then I have my eggs here already peeled. I have another bowl here where I'm gonna put all the yolks. What I'm gonna do for Easter as an extra step is I'm going to color with food coloring the actual white part of the egg. So we're gonna do like a pink, a blue, a yellow. Hopefully it looks really pretty. Here we have our prepared, ready to mash potatoes. The potatoes are nice and soft. And we have butter, salt, pepper, mayo, sour cream. You can skip this. You can do just like milk and salt, but I'm telling you guys, do the 3 ingredients. It will be the best mashed potatoes you've ever had in your life. Over here we have our fresh gravy. So this is chicken broth that we actually made from scratch with a leftover chicken. Using that chicken broth to make a homemade gravy. So this is literally just the chicken broth boiling. And then I'm going to add cornstarch and a couple other seasonings if it's needed, like salt and pepper. Babe, what do you usually put in your homemade gravy?
Salt, pepper.
Salt, pepper.
Fresh garlic.
Fresh garlic.
And I'll take either butter and flour and make a roux with it, or just use flour and water.
Yeah.
But using cornstarch is going to make it look translucent and weird, almost like fake gravy from a jar. So you want to use flour and water.
Oh, excuse me.
How you record me?
It's just your face. Yes, he's cooking without a shirt on. Thug life.
Wow.
So we're going to use flour and butter to thicken it, not cornstarch.
Yeah.
Excuse me. I'm wrong. I'm wrong. I'm not the one who cooks for a living, so he should know something. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the eggs in half now and start to do the coloring process. Oh, and then we're gonna put the onions and peppers on the chicken. Let's do that first. So this is what the onions and peppers look like. We had them kind of cooking and caramelizing a little bit. I used some sunflower oil and butter. And now I'm just going to majestically put the onions and peppers on top. Oh, this looks like it's gonna be so good, babe. Hey guys, so this is what I was talking about coloring the eggs. I cut them in half like this, right down the center. Get out the yolk. You put that aside in a bowl. So I have green, blue, yellow, and then a reddish pinkish kind of. Hey, check it out, guys. So I added more food coloring so it could get done a little bit faster. Look at this. How cool. Let me show you. It's literally like minty green, reddish pink one. Look how pretty. Yellow, blue. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take them out now because I want them to look a little bit more pastel. So here are all the yolks from the eggs, mayo, relish, salt, pepper. This is what it looks like. I just used a little, nice.
So cute.
I just used a melon baller to put the filling in there. And it just looks so beautiful. I'm so, oh shit. Don't fuck it up, man. So beautiful. I'm so happy with it. So tomorrow I will put the paprika on top to add a little bit more color. And then maybe some type of leaves, like some floral green type stuff around the edges just for the presentation. But for now, we're just gonna leave it. Okay, so this is the little white cream sauce that I made, or Antonio helped me make, for the green bean casserole, and I will just leave that down below. But it's just a basic butter, flour sauce. So to assemble, I started with my pan with the onions on the bottom, and then I did the green beans on top, then the white sauce, and then I shredded some New York State sharp cheddar, or it's white cheddar actually, which is the kind you want to use. So it's basically like a little lasagna system that I used, where it was like onions, green beans, sauce, cheese, green beans, cheese, onions basically. And it's really easy. The only thing is that white sauce, but it's easy to make. If yours gets clumpy, you can use an immersion blender or a regular blender to thin it out, and you're good to go. And then you just put it all together, and it's gonna be so delicious. Alright guys, so the food is all done, so I'm just getting out my Easter outfit so I can prep. So this is the dress that I'm wearing. It's from my last haul from ASOS or ASOS. I'm not really sure how to say it, but it's from my last try on haul. I love it so much, and I think it's just like the perfect little Easter dress. It's so cute. I'll put a little clip of what it looks like on the screen so you guys can see. And then I'm gonna wear it with this white bag, which is actually from Fashion Nova. Super cute. So it's a clear PVC bag, as you can see, but it's a white faux croc, which I love. And then the inside is actually a little pouch that's removable, so you can use this as like a little makeup pouch, and then you could put something else in here. But I just think that the white croc texture just looks so nice with the blue dress. And then for shoes, I'm thinking maybe like white mules or some black strappy sandals, or even some nude heels or something. We'll see. But for accessories, I have a few options, so let's go check that out. So I definitely feel like for accessories we want to go light, bright, springy. So I was thinking to do some hair accessories. I'm probably gonna give myself a nice blowout and then do some like big waves and do like a middle part or a side part depending on what I feel like. And then I got these really beautiful pearl hair clips. These are like clips, and then these are like bobby pins. So I'm thinking maybe put these in my hair. And then I also got this one, which is what you saw me wearing earlier. This is from ASOS. If they still have it, I'll leave it linked, or I'll leave everything that you guys are seeing linked down below or something similar. So it's like a little comb, and it has like this little flower bushel of pearls, and I absolutely love it. It's so beautiful. So I'll either wear this on the side or these in my hair, depending on what I do for my hair. But if I end up not using these, then I'm thinking I'll do my regular big pearl earrings, and I love these so much. These are from ASOS. They're no longer available, but they still have these available. So if I find these, I will link these for you. These are also from ASOS, or I'll link something similar. And then I'm also thinking that if I do the pearl accessories in my hair, that I'll do these floral earrings. I feel like these are so Easter, so spring. And I love the light pale pink with the white. I think it would match the blue denim dress so nicely. So I feel like this with the pearl in the hair is not too much. So I might do that actually more than the pearl earrings. But we'll see, like I said, tomorrow. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see everything. I'll be posting everything. To get this video up for you guys ASAP, so that you could, you know, use some of these recipes or whatever if you're making Easter dinner tonight or tomorrow. So if you follow me on Instagram, you will see in my story how all the food looks, and you'll see my outfit. All right guys, so happy Easter. The Lord is risen. He's here. He is alive and kicking in our hearts. So I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to stay glam, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, I hope you have a blessed Easter. I love you. Bye.